Hey, welcome back. You are probably wondering, yo, what's going on? What's going on? Today we are here. Okay, let me see. All right, so everything is running like it should. Welcome back to Tswana class. Dumelang, welcome back to Tswana class. Today we're going to do something totally different. It's either you guys are gonna love it or you're gonna really hate it. So I finally caved in. I was sitting down in my house and I thought, what can I do different? Like what can I do different for people to learn Tswana? And okay, before I continue, I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who subscribed. We are just like few people away, few subs away to reach 1,000, which is our goal for this year. And it looks like it's gonna happen, so I'm hopeful. So thank you. Today I'm gonna do something really, really different. I just hope that you guys don't hate it because I think I would love to go this route. Okay, so there we go. Um, Today I'm going to be listening to music and trying to translate it as much as I possibly can. Um, okay, as much as I possibly can. So I really love music, and this time around I'm doing music from Botswana. So that's what I'm excited about. So you guys get to hear the music from Botswana. So the music is in English because why not? Um, so I'm gonna be translating some of the lyrics to from English to Tswana, and then in the future, if you guys love this idea, I think I'm just gonna continue like trying to balance it out. Because to be honest, doing this educational videos is really taking all the time, and also sometimes it's pretty boring, right? Is it only me? So I think music will do it. I think music will do it, man. So we're gonna just go back to kindergarten. So crash or whatever, preschool, where we use music or songs to learn the language. That's what I did with learning Zulu, Ndebele, and Shona. I'm not fluent, but I can understand most of the words. So I think that will be helpful to just take that idea and put it here in this lesson. Once again, thank you so much for subscribing, and I really enjoy what reading your comments. And somebody said I should like do translation of whatever I'll be saying in to Tswana. So that will happen soon if we reach 1,000. I'm kidding. So I'm planning. I'll do that, and I think if it's not a live recording, I don't see why not. So all right, without wasting any time and taking all the space, whatever, I'm just gonna go ahead and play music. I really hope you love this music too, because it could be worse. It could be like this reacting to music is fine, but it's just the music choice was bad. But let me know in the comment section what you think. I know if you are a regular watcher, maybe you're not gonna like this. Maybe you like cartoons, because I'll continue doing all those things. But I just want to make sure that I add a lot of things as well, so that when I'm not doing this animation, I'm not just stuck in one place. I hope you understand. And all right, let's get to it. So I'm gonna be reacting to the music video or whatever, but also trying to translate and maybe explaining a few things also in Setswana. We'll see how this goes. This may either go right or very wrong. So, all right, I'm hoping it goes right. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, the music is saying, hold on a second. I gotta do something real quick here. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, so let me start this again because I have a lot of things going on here. Sorry about that. If you're watching this, just feel free to forward it to the next thing. Let's start the music again. So this time around, we are on it. Feel free to dance, man. This is like Wednesday night. I mean, if you don't dance, why? Why not?
I'm caught between a lie.
Hold on a second. Okay. It works. So, the first lyric, I'm caught between a lie. Translation, ke fa gare ga o ke tshwere fa gare ga maaka. Ke tshwere fa gare ga maaka. I wish I can be writing this somewhere. I hope this thing has something I can write on. Let's try something new here. So, again, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, there we go. It doesn't change. Okay, there we go. I translated it. I'm butchering this thing. I think there's a better way to do this. Anyway, let's continue because this is ruining the good vibe of this music.
And I'm not moving.
I'm not moving. Like she's caught between lies. So so that's the way to translate it.
Yes, I try to justify, but it's so senseless. I guess
So I try to justify go rurifatsa mme ga go. Oh my goodness, this is harder than I thought. So I speak Tswana, but I don't know. I'm trying to translate it so quickly. Because it's also a song, it has to have a meaning. You know, you can't just be translating word for word. You have to kind of like put it in a context. So, ke tshware fa gare ga maaka mme dilo ga di tsamaye sentle. That's what I think.
I was in love before you opened up the doors. They say three's
tsela gore ke ne ke le mo leratong pele.
You opened up the door.
Pele fa o bula mabati, pele fa o bula dikgoro. So I guess I've been in love before. Ke tsela gore ke ne ke le mo leratong pele pele ga o bula dikgoro. So oh my goodness, this is harder than I thought.
They say three's a crowd, and I ain't letting out.
But so basically, if you understand English, you realize that she's saying she's having a problem with her boyfriend or husband. I think it's boyfriend in this situation. He seems to be having another girlfriend on the side, but she's saying there is a crowd, so boraro ke thakantshuke or boraro ke thakantshuke, like ke boraro ke matshwititshwiti. Like I don't want to say matshwititshwiti because it's like in Tswana doesn't necessarily a group. When you say matshwititshwiti, you mean like a really lot, like a lot of people. But here you can, if it's like a small amount of people, so matshwititshwiti abatho. Jaanong ke kopa gore o ska wa latlha lerato la rona, o ska latlha lerato la rona konte. So yes, oh my goodness. So guys, this is really hard. I kind of put myself in a pickle here, but yeah, so don't throw my love away. O ska latlha lerato la rona, or o ska latlha lerato la rona konte. So I'm hoping this will have to, you have to remember this because it's a song. I think it's a nice song, to be honest. So it's a really nice song, has like nice beats, modern 2020 version of song. So remember that. Ke tshware fa gare ga lerato, a kopa o ska latlha lerato la rona jalo. Ga ke go tlogela o tsamaya. I'm not letting you go. Ke a gonela lerato la me le fa e le maaka, like ke a gonela lerato la me le fa e le maaka. So I think that's the best way to put it. So ga ke go tlogela o tsamaya, ke a gonela lerato la me le fa ntse gore lerato la gago ke maaka, like lerato la motho yo wa mo ratang ga se lone ke maaka. Yeah, I'm killing this.
I'm not letting you go. Wanna give you my love.
A ke go tlogela o tsamaya, so ke batla go nela lerato la me le fa la gago e se la nnete, o le fa la gago e se lone le ke le batla. So yes,
Even if it's a lie, I'm not letting you go. Wanna give you my love. Even if it's a lie, no, I'm not letting you go. Wanna give you my love. Even if it's a lie,
So are mokapelo or sweetheart? Wow, it's really difficult to translate sweetheart. Because direct translation would be like sweetie, it would be like sukiri, pelo. So it doesn't make sense at all. So don't try to direct translate this. It doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna say it how I would say it in Tswana to my significant other, to my wife in this thing. So makapelo. Let's take it back a little bit.
What does your heart desire?
Makapelo wa me, lerato la pelo ya gago e bata eng? Wow, so deep.
'Cause I'll give you all.
I give you all, nka go neela gotlhe.
I'll give you more.
Nka go neela go le gontsi. So basically, she's like, we all can understand, she's trying to like win her love, and she's promising more.
Sweetheart,
Makapelo,
what does your heart desire?
pelo ya gago e batla eng?
I'll give you all. I'll give you more and more and more. I'm not letting you go. Wanna give you my love, even if it's a lie, baby. I'm not letting you go. Wanna give you my love, even if it's a lie, baby. I'm not letting you go. Wanna give you my love, even if it's a lie, baby. No, I'm not letting you go. Wanna give you my love, even if it's a lie, baby.
So, guys, I'm just gonna put few words here to give you an understanding of what some other words, some of the Tswana words mean. So, mokapelo, we have mokapelo, which will then see. I figured these things out. Sweetheart. So you don't have to direct translate. You don't have to direct translate sweetheart to Tswana. You can just say mokapelo. It means sweetheart in other way. So, or if you direct translate, mokapelo means of my heart, the love of my life, or the love of my heart, or the whatever, those sweet words, right? I don't know if I did this before. Heart is pelo, but in Sichuan, yeah, that's how pelo ya gago e bata eng. What does your heart want? What does your heart desire? Huh? So, what is the other word? Don't throw our love away. Don't throw our love away. Setswana translation. Don't throw our love away. Wow, I love the song. So, all right, guys, I think this should be it. Um, thank you so much for watching. And if you are here for the first time, you're like, what's going on? What did I just click? Why did I just click in this random video? Well, you might as well just subscribe and see what's going on in the next one. So this is my very first music reaction, and I'm trying to teach Tswana at the same time. So I'm taking you back to kindergarten. I think this is it. So thank you so much for tuning, and please do me a favor on your way out, subscribe, share this video, comment as well, because this type of things, they also like trigger the algorithm in my direction, and some people might see this video just because you clicked that like button and you commented something. Just challenge for you guys, just comment "Ke a go rata." I hope that will work. I hope that's so. Just comment "Ke a go rata." I'm going to type it here. Let's see, "Ke a go rata." Put it on the normal font. Just comment "Ke a go rata." Let me pull it there, expand it. "Ke a go rata" means I like you or I love you. So it depends who you're talking to. If you're talking to your friend, you can say "Ke a go rata" and they won't take it the wrong way. But if you're talking to also your wife or husband, you can say, or girlfriend, boyfriend, "Ke a go rata," and they will know the levels. You know what I mean? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this will be fun. I think I'm trying to make this fun as possible, but you might not like it. I'm talking to my regular followers, so if you are new here, just subscribe and see what's going on. That was a nice music. I'll also try to like post the link below where this music is coming from. The music was taken from Priscilla K and Chef Gustos. It's Chef Gustos featuring Priscilla K. So yeah, it's a very nice music. I love it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.